Right now, AI influencers are taking over TikTok, Instagram, and even subscription platforms like Fanvue. These are not just pretty pictures on a screen. They are endlessly adaptable, perfectly polished, and they never take a day off. For years, becoming an influencer meant constant posting, sleepless nights editing videos, and struggling to grow a following. Now, you can build a digital persona that never gets tired, never complains, and keeps fans hooked around the clock. There are already hundreds of AI-created models with loyal fan bases who know they are not real and still pay every month to follow them. The influencer I'm about to show you doesn't exist in the real world, but she's pulling in over $9,000 every single month on platforms like Fanvue. In this video, I will show you exactly how I built my own AI influencer, the tools I used, and how you can create yours in minutes and turn it into a real income stream. Alright, let's get started creating our AI influencer from the ground up. The first step is to visit pycaso.ai. I will also leave the link in the description so you can access it easily. Once you're on the site, sign up for a free account. I personally used my Google email to register because it was quick and straightforward. After your account is set up, you will receive free credits, which allow you to explore the platform without paying anything up front. Inside your dashboard, look for the option labeled AI Character. This is where you begin shaping your influencer. Give your character a name that matches their style or personality. Then upload a clear photo of the face you want the AI to learn from. I used ChatGPT to describe what I want and used Google Whisk to create the image. Once the image is uploaded, click Train. The tool will ask you to upload at least 10 more images to better train your model, and just like before, I used Google Whisk to generate the images using the same prompt. This process allows the AI to study the facial features and build a model that looks consistent in every photo. It usually takes just a few minutes, so you can relax while it processes. When the training is complete, it is time to start creating content. Click on the AI Photo section, where you can generate images of your influencer in different poses, outfits, and backgrounds. I will show you a few results so you can see how realistic and creative the outputs can be. Now, under the Influencer section, choose the AI character we trained earlier. Set the model to Flux, then pick your preferred image resolution. For this demonstration, I will use the 9:16 format since it works perfectly for most social media videos. In the prompt field, type a description of what you want to see in the image. For example, I entered a simple prompt. She is in the gym, and clicked Generate. Let's take a look at some of the results it produced. Once you find an image you really like, click on the Download button to download it. But first, click on the image to open the preview. From there, use the upscale option to enhance the quality and make the details sharper. This step is important because high-quality images will look much better when you post them on social media or your AI influencer page. Click the download button to download it. Now, let's get creative and try a few different prompts to generate new variations for our influencer. For example, I could type a prompt such as, "She is wearing a red dress on a red carpet," and then click Generate. This will instantly create a completely different scene and vibe for our character. Let's take a look at the results and see how realistic they turned out. I can also try another prompt like, "She is relaxing on the beach on a sunny day, medium shot." This changes the setting completely and gives our influencer more lifestyle variety. The beauty of this process is that you can be as creative as you want. Whatever clothing style, background, or environment you imagine your model in, simply describe it in the prompt field and let the AI bring it to life. The ultimate goal here is to build a rich collection of consistent images and videos that showcase your AI influencer in many different styles and scenarios. This variety keeps your audience engaged and gives you plenty of fresh content to post on your influencer page. Now, when you find an image you like, use the upscale feature to sharpen the details and make it look professional and high quality. Once you have photos, you can move on to videos. Go to the AI video section, select the video generator model for this. I'll go with Kling 2.1, set the aspect ratio, duration, and resolution you want to generate. Now, then type a short scene description, for example, flipping hair in slow motion. In just a short while, you will have a smooth, fully animated video clip that looks ready to post on social media. You can always tweak your prompts and regenerate the video if you are not satisfied with the result. The entire process is fast, enjoyable, and beginner-friendly. You do not need any advanced technical skills. With only a few clicks and some creativity, you can have a fully built AI influencer that is ready to attract followers and start generating interest online. Now that we have our AI influencer up and running, it is time to focus on what really matters for most people: turning all of that content into actual income. There is one platform in particular that stands out because it openly allows and even encourages AI-generated influencers. That platform is Fanvue. While many sites still have restrictions on AI influencers, Fanvue has become a hub for this type of creator, and that makes it a powerful starting point. Let me walk you through exactly how you can set up your own account. Start by visiting fanvue.com. Once you are there, create a free account. The sign-up process is simple, and you will be ready to upload in just a few minutes. After logging in, begin adding the images and videos you generated earlier with your AI character. These will be the content pieces your subscribers see and interact with. Next, it is time to make your profile appealing. Add a strong bio that reflects the personality and style of your AI influencer. Think of it as a digital storefront that gives people a reason to follow and subscribe. Then, set your pricing for monthly subscriptions or one-off content sales. You have complete control here, so choose rates that reflect the value of the visuals you are offering while staying competitive with similar creators on the platform. Here is something worth highlighting. Fanvue currently offers a special promo where new creators who share their unique referral link in their bio can keep all of their earnings for the first week. That means 100% of the subscription fees and tips go directly to you during that time, which can give you a nice boost right from the start. When you look at it from a business perspective, it is almost like having an entire online business ready to go. You have your AI influencer, your content library, and a platform that pays you directly. In reality, you are only a few clicks away from monetizing your creations. One well-made image or video can become the centerpiece of your profile, attracting followers and generating income while you sleep. Once your AI influencer is live and your Fanvue page is set up, the next step is to get as many eyes on your content as possible. The more people who see your influencer, the greater your chances of building a loyal audience and generating steady income. This is where growth strategy comes into play. One of the easiest ways to grow is by showing up consistently on social media platforms filled with potential fans like TikTok, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter. Consistency is key. Posting daily or almost daily builds momentum faster than occasional updates. Use the images and short videos you have already made for your influencer and adapt them into posts and stories that match each platform's style. Pay attention to trends, especially on short-form platforms. Using trending audio, challenges, or visual styles can boost your chances of reaching new audiences. Combine trends with captions that spark curiosity and encourage viewers to learn more about your influencer. Collaboration is another growth hack. Partner with other AI creators to exchange audiences. Duet their TikTok videos, do Instagram shoutouts, or create themed posts together. This can double your reach without spending on ads. Always keep your Fanvue link visible in your bio and mention it in videos or captions with subtle reminders like, "Check the link in my bio." This gently directs curious viewers to your page. If you want me to share my full AI influencer marketing process, comment AI influencer. Use the link in this video to keep 100% of your Fanvue earnings for 7 days. And that's how you can create, monetize, and grow your own AI influencer from scratch. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so more people can discover it. And subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.